everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I have created this beautiful wing eyeliner. It's very easy to create and it's beginner friendly. Also, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. You can use any base you like, but for me personally I like Mehk paint pot. Now for wing, you can technically use any eye tape and apply it like this and trace along the tape. The first thing is put a brush below your brows, and it should be pointing towards the nose end, and this is your point where you have to draw your wing. You can always continue with the lower lash line and go straight. That is also another sign how long your wing should be or where it should be pointed. So if you see your lower lash line, then we can continue our wing as up. So for creating today's eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Lasting Drama Perfect Liner. The brush is very important, and I am using this pointy brush from ELF to create the wing today. I'm going to draw a line in continuation of my lower line, and we are starting with less, and you can see my crease ends here, so I will not go above my crease. If you want dramatic eyes, obviously you can go up, but for everyday wing I am not going up. And I'm going to just create another line like this. So you can see I've extended the lower lash line up above the wing. Now I'm just making it a little thin like this, and I'm not going above this point. Now you can see when I open my eyes, there is a white cap here. Before going on the wing, we will cover that white cap by using gel eyeliner under that. So basically we are filling up the upper waterline. To trace the liner on my upper lid like this. And take it out like this. Just start with a thin line and bring it like this. Is how I do my inner corner. For liquid liner, I'm going in with NYX Epic Wear liquid liner. I really love it. The best part of this liquid liner is it has got really thin brush like this. On my gel liner, the reason I'm using liquid liner is because I want more of color, a black color. But I'm just tracing it. A little bit of concealer and give the sharpness to the wing like this. So this is how the liner is looking without any lashes, without any mascara on. Use a nude pencil. This is from Revlon. Going in with Maybelline Curl my lashes, and I'm just applying my mascara. And applying mascara. So this is how my liner looks. So this is how my eyes look after applying eyelashes, and I did a little bit of coat of liquid liner over my lashes so that it looks symmetrical. And now quickly I will do my full face and other eye, and I will show you my final look. So this is my final look. I have just done both my eyes and applied lashes. That's all. If you don't want to apply lashes and just go with the liner, still it will look so beautiful. We had fun watching this video, and I will see you in next video.